In this lecture, we will write a table on LCD. You can write 2, 3, 4, 7 table, 17 table, any number you want. So let's write software. This is your counting program. Save it as LCD table. Now we will edit this print line. Okay, first decimal 2. You will see 2 written on the LCD, then X, and X will be written on the LCD like this. Then decimal I. First of all, I's value will be 1, so 1 will be written, then equal sign. After that, 2 into I. So I's value is 1 in first iteration of the for loop, so 2 into 1 will be 2. This will be written on the LCD. Compile. Double click the controller, select LCD table.hex. Okay, and let's run it. And yes, it is writing table of 2, but it is starting from 0. We should make it 1. I0, delete it and replace it by 1. Okay, now if you want to write the table of 3, replace 2 by 3 here and here, and it will be now a table of 3. And yes, it's working fine. Now make it 10, as normally table are from 1 to 10. Now let's suppose we want to write the table of 17. We will write 17 here and here. It will be a table of 17 on the LCD now. And yes, it is 17 table.